Don't hit me in the face, I'm pretty. Oh no! One down already. Let them fight.
Let them fight.
I've missed my opportunity.
I'm sorry, father and mother.
I have embarrassed the family name. I shall not be called a Lannister.
My children. You disgraced the Lannister name for far too long.
Wait for me, understand this.
Paddle faster, forehead.
Paddle faster. I hear banjos. Paddle faster.
Don't, just be aggressive. See your line, take your line. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. That's from the old cheerleading wife ski. Taught me everything she knew. Go right down the middle. Don't try to eddy out. Stay in the middle where the meat is.
Phrasing. Boom! Inappropriate.
And it's just big waves. Okay, that might be a fifth.
You're lying, Timothy. You know what that means.
Aggressive. Beat aggressive. Beat. Aggressive. Aggressive.
championships.
Not 2.
LeBron, tell us about that.
Not 2, not 3, not 4.
The thirst is real! Woo! Yeah, let's get it! You can paddle if you don't throw the claw. Rock. Woo! Let's go, Jack. Yeah, Jack, let's go! Comes Danielle, let's get it. Got a good line. She's gonna come across. She's gonna push hard through that hole. She's gonna keep paddling. She's gonna keep paddling. She's gonna go right over it. Yeah, get in there!
You just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop-ah! Drop down, snap. Ah!
Keep that head down, girl. Yeah, Danielle, let's go! That was huge! Huge! Dude! You went vertical, baby! That was huge!
Take it easy, champ. Why don't you stop talking for a while?
Maybe sit the next couple plays out.
Let's go! Timing range. Woo! I took that whole thing to my face.
Phrasing.
Shut up!
Boosh! That's so deep! Got in there deep, loving it strong.
Who's the Jacuzzi Casanova?
Oh, that's him right there. Yeah, they call him that because he had himself up in it, you know. Loving it strong.
Frick yeah.
Yeah, I've been digging the antics on this run.
Yeah. Here she comes. Right to us, Danielle, straight at us. There you go, plug that hole, hard stroke. Yeah, girl!
Missed it by that much.
Oop, oop, oop. Spaghetti. That's it, boys. Let's get it. That was good. We're almost there. Good job. Woo! Just past that big ass rock. Let's go, Danielle. Such a clean run. Holy shit, that was so good.
If you don't know me, my name's Nick White. My full-time job now is teaching whitewater kayak lessons and swiftwater rescue classes. So I donated a couple of roll classes. I teach roll classes year-round at a pool up in Idaho Springs. So there's 2 free roll classes.